Want to fix your TD Bank credit score? Use CreditView. Quick, free, and easy. Log into your TD Bank online account or the TD mobile app and open CreditView. Step 1. View your current credit score and the short summary at the top. Look at 3 key metrics: payment history, credit utilization, and recent inquiries. Use the Trends and Alerts panel to spot sudden drops or new accounts quickly. Ready to improve your score? Here are 3 practical steps you can take now. Step 1. Lower your credit utilization. Aim to keep balances below 30%. Step 2. Dispute errors. Review reported items and file disputes through CreditView if something is wrong. Step 3. Set payment reminders or enable automatic payments to avoid late payments. Also avoid unnecessary hard inquiries and keep older accounts open to strengthen history. Recap: monitor CreditView, reduce utilization, correct errors, and pay on time. Check CreditView regularly. Small changes add up. Log in today and start tracking your progress.